How you take care of your body says a lot about your life. Most of us want to feel healthier, happier, and more energetic, and have the time, freedom, and finances to actually enjoy it. We can not only show you how, but also how to have it with more purpose and zeal in your life. Introducing Zeal Wellness, the health transformation that's sweeping the globe, changing people's lives for the better, from the inside out.
I started taking Zeal and I felt good for the first time in 30 years.
Whenever I'm out and I'm running around and I take a Zeal Wellness, it just makes my body, just fires it back up. I just feel so much more energized and more mentally focused.
We have a product that changes people's lives. All you've got to do is put it in your system and find out for yourself.
It's a good feeling, you know, I can do everything. I can walk the dogs, I can clean the house, I can wash the dishes, I can run the errands.
I just got myself into the gym more, I started eating better, and by using the product and implementing those things, I was able to lose actually over 100 pounds.
We would never go a day without our Zeal.
For most people, the journey starts with ZurVita Zeal Wellness Blend, the simplest, most comprehensive natural nutrition available. The way it will make you feel will make you eager to share it with others. And when you do, you'll be rewarded with income, freedom, and the satisfaction of knowing that you've made a real difference in your own life and have the opportunity to pay it forward, enriching the lives of others. And you can do it all with ZurVita.
We get to see our kids every single day. It's changed everything for our family.
I'm able to spend time with my kids, go to their baseball games, basketball games, travel. This has absolutely changed our lives.
What this lifestyle has really given us the opportunity to be able to decide what we do when we want to do it.
It's completely worth it.
Every day is Friday.
It is. It is.
Better nutrition means better performance. So where does performance truly exist? The answer? Your body. When fueled with the proper balance of food, your body can perform at a high level, impacting every area of your life. But our food isn't as healthy as it used to be, and we're not getting the nutrition we need to meet the demands of our fast-paced lives.
Our body produces everything we would ever want, and it's our food that fuels our body. But most of the food we rely on today is depleted from its nutritional value.
Really, the foundation to good health is nutrition, and the foundation to good nutrition is Zeal.
If you put low-grade gasoline into your car, it doesn't perform very well. The same goes for your body. If you want to maximize your potential, increase your energy, mental focus, and endurance, you need to supercharge your body with the highest performance fuel possible. That's why ZurVita introduced Zeal Wellness Blend to help enrich, restore, and protect your body, boost your energy, optimize your health, slow your aging process, and renew your zeal for life. Zeal Wellness Blend combines powerful nutritional components into a delicious, natural, real food product that makes you feel vibrant, energetic, and ready to live a life full of purpose and meaning. Our scientific advisory board wanted to make sure that every ingredient was vital for maximum results, so they scoured the globe to bring together the best nature has to offer. At the core of Zeal Wellness Blend is an emerging superfood known as stabilized rice bran.
Stabilized rice bran is one of the most wholly dense nutritional food sources on the planet.
Rice bran is the most nutritious component of rice, but it's typically discarded during the milling process. Through several unique processes and patents, we figured out how to not only stabilize rice bran, but also how to separate the portions of the rice bran that are the most nutritious.
Zeal's unique breakthrough formula combines vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from fruits and vegetables and other botanical ingredients. All of this incredible nutrition is wrapped up in one daily single 6-ounce serving that tastes delicious. It combines long-term health with powerful, immediate results, and it's priced for the masses at about $2 a day. After extensive research, we found that you can get almost all of the ingredients at your local store, but it would cost you over $450 and would take 56 pills to get the same nutritional value of one 6-ounce serving of Zeal. There's simply no easier or more affordable way to get the nutrition you need than Zeal Wellness Blend.
In 2011, we launched our Zeal for Life products and generated $3.6 million. In 2012, we grew to $15 million. By 2014, we grew to $69 million. We're watching what happens when people truly believe they matter.
Using the fun and effective tools ZurVita provides, it's easy to get people to try Zeal Wellness Blend. And once they try it, a product movement starts.
You know, we have an amazing product and an amazing opportunity that is changing so many lives.
I love being a Zurvita consultant because we can bring hope to everyone we come in contact with.
Being a part of this company allows so many people to be a part of something bigger.
The power of one person that comes into this business can affect hundreds of thousands of people.
I love partnering with people who have a vision of changing the world, of one person at a time.
Here's how it works. Once you sign up 4 new customers, Zurvita's G4 program kicks in. You'll experience tremendous savings of up to 100% off your personal products from the G4 program. Then, every time someone drinks Zeal, you get paid, month after month, year after year, throughout your entire network. That's called residual income.
In our first 30 days, we made $4,400.
And that allowed us to take our first ever family vacation to Disney World.
In my first 30 days, I made $1,900 working part-time.
Working part-time with Zurvita, in my first 30 days, I made $1,400.
Through Zurvita's All-Star program, you can earn an extra $800 bonus in your first 30 days simply by referring 2 people and then help them do the same. In addition, you can make several $1,000s per week with our Teen Bonus program. And you can also qualify for one of the best luxury car programs in the industry. You can choose a Cadillac, a Mercedes, or a BMW, and we'll even show you how to get it paid for.
What a better way to earn a living than to be able to be home with your family, making money, helping other people with their health. There's no better way.
Last month, because of Zurvita, we made over $56,000.
I get to work from home. I get to set my time and my schedule.
Thanks to Zurvita, last month we made over $12,000.
As a property manager, wife, mom, friend, I made over $18,000 in 1 month.
Last month, we made $39,000 plus. It was freaking crazy.
Thanks to Zurvita, we made over $500,000 last year, and we were able to really live the life that most people dream about.
You can also tap into our international opportunity as we expand around the world. And our incentive program gives you the opportunity to earn fabulous vacations at luxurious resorts and cruises. We even offer opportunities to travel for charitable purposes and help disadvantaged people in faraway places build their communities and improve their lives. You can enroll for $35 and pick from a variety of product packs we've designed to help you get a fast start.
I like seeing that we're making a difference in people's lives.
We get to enjoy our lives every single day.
It's really the ultimate of freedom. And we've dreamed all our life of having this kind of lifestyle. We finally got it, and it's fantastic.
Join Zurvita. Help create a movement that's sweeping the globe and enjoy the rewards of helping others do the same. Come join us and start changing lives today.
At Zurvita, to be successful, just be yourself. It doesn't matter if you're shy or outgoing, business savvy or not. We have a simple system that can work for anyone. Give this product 30 days. You will feel the Zeal difference. It's simple. Just add water, shake it, and take it.
You may ask yourself what you need to do to get started. It's really simple. Get with the person that invited you and schedule 2 to 4 get-togethers yourself. It's fun and simple.
We want you to join us in this movement.
You just might be the most amazing story yet.